Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up the Canon PIXMA MG5320 printer software on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MG5320 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should come back with Canon support for PIXMA MG5320. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then go down again. And you want to locate the item in here that says My Printer. Go ahead and select the download button for that. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and run that file. Should be a verified publisher. Select yes, select next, select your region, and then next again, the country. And then you will need to agree to license terms, so select yes on there. If you wish to change the destination folder, you can, but we're going to select next for the purpose of this tutorial. No need to make it overly complicated. And then you can create a shortcut on your desktop, select complete, and then assuming you have wireless capabilities on your printer and you've configured it to your network, you should be able to automatically connect it via this utility. It should be able to detect it. If you're still having problems, you can open up this tool and select diagnose and repair printer, and then you should be able to walk through the on-screen troubleshooting guides of resolving the problem. So like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.